Welcome back. This is the second video in which we will look into the patient administration module. Patient administration is the core of the hospital management system or healthcare system, and we'll see the details of this module and what are the features it provides. So you must have already logged in. If you don't know how to log in, look into the previous video. So you must be in the ERP dashboard. All the modules must be listed, and then you click on the patient module here. This will open the dashboard where you can see how to search a patient, add new patient, and some of the other details with respect to how many total OPD patient, total patients, discharge patient, and total admit patients. Left hand side menu, you can see there is disease database, treatment plan, inpatient, outpatient, and discharge list. So these are the some of the left hand side menu you have. Now let's search, let's say, an existing patient, somebody. So I find this, you can search through name, mobile number, or Aadhaar number. So I select this, and now you can see this details of this patient is open. You can see the name of the hospital, building, room, bed name. So this patient is inpatient, and you can see the basic details. These plus button, you can expand and then see the basic details of this particular patient. You can see what is the current treatment. So this is the current treatment. You can see the doctor's comments. You can see what are the tests that have been recommended and what is their status, medicines which has been recommended to this patient, and also other details, for example attender and insurance and so on. So there are a number of all the consultations, like how many doctors have consulted would be visible here. All the nurses observation would be recorded and visible here. So essentially this covers the entire hospitalization duration, in which every detail is captured through the screen. The discharge happens through this button. You can transfer the bed and create a new appointment with a doctor as well. So all this happens through this screen. You can go back to dashboard and create a new patient as well. So we'll look into the creation of the new patient in a separate video. Then we will just look into the inpatient. So it will basically show you all the patients which are listed, and you can click this edit button to go and see where these people are and what exactly is their current status. Again, these what is visible and what is not visible will depend on the permission, individual permission. Right now this particular user has all the permission, so they are able to see everything and edit everything. But in a real life scenario, of course, depending on the permission, a certain user will be able to perform certain operation. Same with the outpatient. Now outpatient, essentially outpatient lists out the current month as default, and you can click submit to see how many patients were there, how many outpatients were there, and you can see the list of it. Same with the discharge list. Again, there will be a default date here, but you can change it, and you can see the list of discharge patients as well. And so is the inpatient, which are the currently admitted in the hospital right now. So this is the main overview for patient administration. In the next video, we will cover how to admit a new patient if he is already not in our database. Thank you so much for listening.